I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to book the CompTIA Security Plus exam. First, navigate to the official CompTIA website and create a free account. Once logged in, find the Security Plus certification page. Here, you will locate the option to purchase your exam voucher. This voucher is essential for scheduling your test, so make sure to add it to your shopping cart before proceeding. After adding the voucher to your cart, proceed to the checkout page. Complete the payment process using your preferred method. Once purchased, your exam voucher will be valid for 12 months, giving you ample time to prepare. You will receive an email containing your unique voucher code, which is a crucial piece of information for the next step. Keep this code safe. With your voucher code in hand, the next step is to schedule your exam. CompTIA partners with Pearson VUE for exam delivery, so visit the Pearson VUE website. You can choose to take your exam at a physical testing center or opt for online proctoring from home. Select a date and time that works best for your schedule. During the Pearson VUE scheduling process, you will be prompted to enter your CompTIA exam voucher code. This will apply your payment. Before finalizing, carefully review all the appointment details, including the date, time, and location. On exam day, plan to arrive at your testing center at least 15 minutes early to complete check-in procedures smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.